Parents, in this month's critical to their success piece, we're talking about student attendance, and it's one of the most important things that you can do to help your kids find success at school. It's very easy around this time of year to miss for a vacation or a holiday or leave early, but every time that your kid misses, they're getting further behind. Below are some statistics of what the impact is if your kid misses school, and it can add up over time. They say on average, when a kid arrives to class late, it costs the teacher about 4 minutes of instructional learning time. And that's if the kid comes in and does what they're supposed to do. So if a kid comes in, the teacher just has the rest of the class eaten out of the palm of their hand, they're ready to go, and the kid walks in the door, they stop what they're doing, they go help the new kid that came in late get caught up and get to where everybody else was, and then they lose the attention of everybody else, but they finally get them back. It takes about 4 minutes to get back to where they started. So it's critical that you be there on time and help your kids be here as much as they can. Our kids lost a lot of learning in the COVID year, and we're still recovering from that. So as best as possible, make sure your kids are here. Try to plan appointments outside of school hours if you can at all possible. Same with vacations, but take care of business. Get your kids here. Don't let them play like I used to do my parents. Get them to school, and we're happy to have them here. We love having them here every day, and one of the things that you can do to help your kids find great success is have them be here at school every day.